Hey guys, how you doing? Recording from the Xiaomi Mi 9T or the K20, and this is a screen recorder built in, and I really like this option, and I wish every phone has this one. So for the tutorial sake, I want to show you the camera. First off, I'm going to open the camera right now, and you can see this is the photo, and you can just have like 2x zoom, and you can have the ultra wide camera over here. So in case of the video, you actually can record video 2x single and wide angle. Not like other phone like OnePlus, you cannot do that. OnePlus, you cannot do that with the Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. So, and all these phones are expensive, more expensive than the Mi 9T. So in that case, I want to show you how to record the wide angle. So when you click on the wide angle, you will notice now it is actually darker than the main camera, right? It's because actually cropping out of the main camera. So it's not, it's actually, it is its own camera, but it's actually cropping out way more than the camera. So I want to show you a trick that you can actually have more color or more light than what you see right here. Let me tell you the reason. The reason is actually because of the setting. And if you go to the camera image stability, so it's because it's 1080p 60 frames per second, and this is where you're gonna play the main camera of the wide angle. But if you set it on 1080p 30 frames per second or 4K 30 frames per second, it's gonna crop out of the 48 megapixels. It's gonna give you a better picture, wider, not as wide as the 1080p 60 frames, but wide enough with better light. So let's go back. Let's go back to the 10x. This is it, guys. So this is ultra wide. It's definitely better when it comes to the lightning. It has stabilization, but it does not crop out much as, for example, the 60 frames per second 1080p, just like that. Bam. And that's the trick, guys. If you're willing to sacrifice the light for the wider angle, you can do that to the 60 frames. If you don't want, you can just crop in a little bit, but you get the quality and the stabilization input. That's it, guys, for a tutorial on the camera. Thank you guys for watching the video, and see you guys in other videos.